Cramer, is the bear market over?
The conventional wisdom on a bear market's got to last at least eight months. That you have to at least wait till there's some glimmer of hope. You can't just see through the valley. A couple of things are to me glimmer of hope-ish. One is that, and this is the most important factor people can't keep forgetting, there's two components to house price depreciation in the country. One is the excess inventory, and the other is the inability to get a mortgage. Because we have household formation in the country. It usually generates about 850,000 new buyers of homes. So that's now outpacing the number of homes that are being built. We saw some numbers today that I think the first glimmer of hope. When you look at the resets, when the resets have been dogging the American consumer, the resets were at their peak in the summer of 2006. That's when the peak of the 2 and 28 mortgages occurred. We are about to get to the end of the big resets. When we get to the end of the big resets, then you'll have an FHA that will be willing to guarantee a refinance loan at what's going to be a lower rate because we've now cleared the logjam up with mortgage paper, with Fannie Mae paper. And what I'm seeing is a decline in the rate of house price depreciation. You're not going to get house price appreciation until you get a decline in the rate of house price depreciation. So what I think people have to recognize is this was a totally housing-derived bear market, coupled with some oil pressuring and some artificial inflation coming from food because of the ethanol focus. So you have ethanol. Politically, you could wipe out that inflation if you wanted to tomorrow. You have oil, very difficult because I believe is supply-driven. And then you have house price depreciation. If you see a decline in the rate of house price depreciation, then you're going to have a bottom. And I'm beginning to see that, and I think that 6 months from now, things are going to be better, and you have to act now because that's how long the stock market discounts. So yeah, I think the bear market's over because the bear market was always about house price depreciation.
A glimmer of hope today with Jim Cramer.
Absolutely.
Wall Street Confidential. Good news. We like to hear that.
Yes, indeed. Thank you.
Stay tuned for more.